Guys, nata karon diri sa fountain of Vaucluse. It is a deep underground source of water, and it's a touristic area in the Vaucluse department in France, and the river is so very wild. Look, at that. That water comes out from underneath here, and here too. This is a very huge body of water, and the source, when you see it, it's just so very tiny, a tiny hole, where in fact now, I mean this year, you cannot enter anymore. So sad. A bit disappointed that we cannot enter, since I always go down there inside the cave, but now for security purposes there's a gate that they have to put, and we always meditate there whenever we come, like every year. And it's a nice feeling. Now no more. So we have just to put our feet in the water and meditate a bit, because this is like you are surrounded by forest, trees, huge rocky cliff, and voila. It's nice to be here. It's so refreshing. We love it. So thank you guys. Bye.